Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening a private window immediately. This isolates local browsing data. In Chrome and Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. In Firefox, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, or use the menu. Do this now so sites won't write cookies to your regular profile. Once done, understand that private mode prevents local history and stored cookies, but it does not hide your activity from your employer, ISP, or the sites themselves. That distinction matters if you need true anonymity versus simple local privacy. Once your private window is open, make the session safer by disabling extensions and not signing into accounts. Extensions can still leak data and sign-ins reassociate activity with you. Go to the Extensions menu and toggle off any that run in private mode, and choose Guest Mode or a clean profile if available to separate cookies and storage. Also, make sure the address bar shows the private icon so you know the protections are active, and refrain from downloading files that can persist after closing. To complete the process, close every private window to clear session cookies and local storage. Remember, downloaded files stay on disk and must be deleted manually. Make sure passwords or form data weren't saved by checking settings, and use a VPN if you need network-level privacy. If private mode won't open or seems ineffective, update the browser, restart your PC, or temporarily disable extensions that force persistence. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.